Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put together February's stamp camp card. It looks like this. Let's see what's in the packet. So it comes in your envelope. We'll set that aside. Here's the instructions. If you ever have questions on the instructions, or let me know if I could do better on the instructions. That's probably not my strong part, is writing up instructions. But anyway, so in your kit, you have your basic black card base. We have a piece of basic white that's going to be the inside. I'm going to just go ahead and put that in there right now. Now, if you wanted to stamp on this, of course, I suggest you stamp first. That way, if you have a little blip, you can turn it over. But there's the inside. Here's another piece of basic gray, same size. This is going to be the front. I'm going to just lay this right on the front of our card. And then in our card, we also have the designer series paper. Now you have to decide if you like this side better or if you like this side better. I think I like this side better, so I'm going to put adhesive on this side. And then this goes on the right side of your card. I flipped it over because I work better going this way, but it's on the right side of your card. Then we have a piece of basic white that will layer onto a piece of basic black. We're just going to lay that down. And then we have the happy birthday that I just made on the computer. And then we're going to layer that onto this strip of basic black. There we go. Then I'm going to just lay this right on our card. Whoop. Come on, adhesive. There we go. On that piece of designer series paper. So this is going to go right there like that. Then with some dimensionals on the back of this. Black and white layered piece here. I'm going to lay this on the left side of our card, and I'm going to line up so it's the same as the well, almost the same as designer series paper here, and it has the same border around the edge. So it looks like that. Now it's time to put our cone together. So you need to decide if you want your cone to use this side of the designer series paper. This is what the other side looks like. It's a little bit more subtle. I'm going to go with this side just to show you the difference, and I'm going to pop mine up on dimensionals. Now, of course, for mailing, you wouldn't have to. You could just do it flat on your card. Then on my little ice creams, let's throw some dimensionals. And I'm going to use 2 toward the top. That way, when you put them onto each other, they have room to layer. There we go. And then I think I'm going to start just like this one. I like the way this one's layered. I'm going to start with the purple down here at the bottom. See how this side of the designer series paper is like much brighter. It's more vibrant than the other side. Let's go with some pink next. And we'll go with some Bermuda Bay, or not Bermuda, Coastal Cabana. I think that's what color this one is. Layer that on there, and then last this yellow one, which I believe is Crushed Curry. Could be Bumblebee though. And there you go. And then last you have 3 little pieces of gems here, or 3 gems. I'm going to just use my scissors like tweezers, and I'm going to lay them in a triangle kind of shape. So I'm going to layer one there. There we go. And one here. And then the last one, I'm going to layer over there. And that's how I did my card. So there you go. there's February's Stamp Cub card. I hope you like it. Thank you for ordering the kits, and I hope to see you back here in March. See you then. Bye-bye.